Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Turn the calculator on and confirm the screen is readable. You need power and a stable display. Next, locate the log and ln keys. Log is base 10, ln is natural base e, because choosing the correct function matters. If you will mix logs with angles, set DEG or RAD now. You should also clear prior entries using C or CE. Once done, enter the number you want to transform. That single step starts the calculation flow and avoids input errors later. With your number on screen, press the log key for base 10 or ln for natural log, then type the value and hit equals. If you need log base b, use the change of base formula. Log b x equals log x / log b, so compute both logs and divide. Your calculator handles that precisely. Make sure to use parentheses when entering complex expressions so order of operations is preserved. Once you see the result, note significant digits. Use the calculator's mode to set display precision if needed. Review the result and verify the input domain. Logs require positive arguments, so a 0 or negative input causes an error. If your expression was compound, re-enter it with parentheses to ensure correct grouping, for example log 3 * x + 1. To finish, store or copy the result if you need it for more steps. If something goes wrong, reset the calculator or clear memory. Then re-enter a simple test like log 10 to confirm correct behavior before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.